Production process. Contract product familiarization. This can take 2 to 3 working days, 4 to 6 total working days upon contract signing. Final measurement. Our production coordinator will contact you to schedule a final measurement. We will provide a 2-hour window. Measurements typically take 30 minutes. Material ordering and ETA. Once your order has been reviewed and approved, we will email you a confirmation along with an estimated time frame of arrival. Please note, ETA is not an exact time frame, but close enough to add peace of mind. Scheduling. Once materials arrive at our supplier, we will contact you for delivery and scheduling. Installation. We will give you a 2-hour window upon arrival. Upon arrival, our team will go over the products and services with you to make sure you're getting what you purchased. Project completion. Once our project is completed, our team is required to walk the property with you if you are available and take after photos showing the detail of the final project. Financial. Once all required documentation is turned in from our team, we will contact you via phone or email to go over the remaining balance. Service request. In the event you have a service request, we will require you to go to our website and fill out the service request form. We stand by our work and guarantee that you'll be satisfied by our results. Come unite with us. United Windows and Siding.